Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Sha and today we are doing press on nails again. So sorry, I'm so out of frame. Let me adjust that for you. So today we're doing these press on nails that I ordered off of Etsy. I will definitely leave the shop information down below of where I ordered these from. They are super cute. I'm so excited. It was so hard for me to decide on which nail design that I wanted, but I finally was able to narrow it down to the set that I just showed you. So like I did in my first press on video, I'm using the same glue from that video. This is the Curve Life glue. I love it. I think it's amazing. I highly recommend. I'm also using this nail bond glue. The reason why I'm using two glues is because my thumbs pop off. I don't know why. All the other nail press-on nails stay on all the other fingers. My thumbs, my right thumb and my left thumb, for some reason, after a week of me wearing press-ons, they pop off. I'm not saying this particular set, but they pop off. Right now, I'm cleaning my nail beds off with just an alcohol wipe that was provided with me with the press-on nails. But back to the press-on nails, and why I'm using two glues, that's why, because I just don't want the thumbs to pop off. But I do recommend that glue. I do. It could be error user. It could be my fault. I recommend the glue though. Use the glue. Anywho, so what you see me doing is I just like to make sure that the nail is the correct size. Of course, this nail is the correct size because I got these custom made for my nail size. So yeah, so I'm putting the Curve Life glue on. I'm just smearing it on. It might look as though I'm putting on like a lot of glue. I'm doing a I'm not doing a little, but I'm not doing too much. I'm doing just the right amount. The Curve Life glue is very thick. And what I'm do is that I like to squeeze an amount onto the back of the nail, and then I like to smear it, which is out of frame right now. But that's what I'm doing. I like to smear the glue on to the press-on nail, the back of the press-on nail, and then I'm just brushing the nail bond because that one has like a brush tip. So for that glue, I'm just brushing it on my nail. It says to also put it on the press-on nail, but I didn't do that because I'm using the Curve Life glue. Are you following me? Okay, I hope you're following me. So yeah, so I'm put the glue. Now I'm pressing down on the nail and I'm making sure, honey, making sure that nail not gonna go anywhere. Cause I told y'all, I'm traumatized. I don't want my thumbs to pop off, and I really love this set. Like these press-on nails is adorable. So I'm pushing down on it, getting the sides, getting the center, go back to the sides, go back to the center. I'm just pushing down on it. But yeah, so look how cute. Isn't that cute? Okay, now I'm moving on to my index finger, and it's just the same exact process. I'm putting the Curve Life glue. Well, first I'm making sure that the nail is fitting. Looks great. Then now I'm going to just double check and make sure that that thumb is on and good and secure. I told you I have a little bit of like kind of traumatized because I don't want my thumbs popping off. So I'm just going back over again, making sure that thumb is secure. Now I'm putting some of that Curve Life glue. Now I'm putting that onto the index finger nail. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process like I was in the middle of saying before. I put the Curve Life glue on the press-on nail. And then what I did for this set of nails is I'm then going to take the nail bond glue, which you didn't see me do, but I did do that. And I put that on as well. And now I'm just pressing down on the press-on nail, making sure that it's on good and secure. And so far, I've done my thumb and my index. Look how cute. foot. Now I'm moving on to my middle finger. And you guys, this is pretty much all I do. It's the same process. I just make sure the nail fits. Once I know the nail fits, I then put the glue on. And then once I put the glue on, I just go ahead and, press down on the nail, make sure it's secure. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit because I'm just gonna repeat the same process for all of the nails. And then I'll come back at the end of the video when I'm done with the nails, okay? All right, so I'm done with the first hand. I have glue stuck all over me, but look how cute these nails are. Absolutely adorable. All right, now I'm about to work on my next hand. All right, my nails are done. These are the press-on nails from Etsy, Pinnacle Luxury Press-on Nails. I'll leave the link down below. I also use Curve Life semi-solid nail glue. Highly recommend. I highly recommend them. I also, yes, I did use NYK1 Super Strong Nail Bond Salon Quality Glue. I will leave that in the link below as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video with me doing my nails. These are beautiful press-on nails, short almond. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.